Hello, today I am back at the Pequea Valley Learner Symbaloo to talk to you about getting yourself logged into and navigating GetMoreMath. GetMoreMath is located here towards the bottom left of the Pequea Valley Learner Symbaloo. If you click that tile, it should open GetMoreMath, where you'll find Student Login or Create with a Class Code. Your learning facilitator should have given you a class code, and if you've used GetMoreMath in previous years and remember your username and password, you should be able to go to Student Login, put in your student username and password, go ahead and hit go, and then you'll land on the home page where you will see any work that has been assigned to you and any other options additionally that your facilitator has made available to you. If for some reason this is your first time using GetMoreMath, you can come to Create Student with Class Code, click that. Go ahead and place your class code in the form, your first name, last name, and you are able to choose your learner username, create your password, and get in, where you will then again land on the work that your facilitator has assigned to you. Now that I've completed the username creation form, I'm here on the work that's been assigned to the class that I've used the code for. I can begin my work turning that in automatically to my facilitator, and it's just that easy. As always, I hope this tutorial on getting into GetMoreMath using that class code provided by your facilitator was helpful. And as always, thanks for watching.